Hi guys, I am Masoud Ahmad. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm back with another tutorial, and in this uh, video or session, I'm going to teach you about Linux command line. I have already explained command line about Kali Linux, and to be honest, if you visit my YouTube channel, there is already an entire you can call it video available about call I have updated here. Once you visit the official channel, go to the playlist, and there you will
Introduction.
find out Kali Linux for hackers. Well, it is just a command line where you will be able to find out all the possible commands. But what I did here, uh, there were some issues with the students who asked me that can we get the notes, can we get a proper documentation about the commands, because sometime what happened when we tried to practice with time, we forgot things, like we forgot about different commands, so the commands should be properly in a documented format. That's why I have uploaded it on my official website, MasaudSec.com /, learn Linux for beginners from basic to advanced. Well, don't worry about this link. I am going to provide you this link in the description of the video. The thing is, what I did here, well, if you visit it here, you can see basic Linux commands. The page is totally mobile friendly, as well as just it works perfectly with a desktop. If you can clearly see, it works perfectly if you are even trying to use it on your phone. So we have a basic Linux command line through which you can basically perform system information, gather system information, like display current user with this command, show command history, display system date and time, print text on the terminal. Then we have a file system command line. In file system command line, for example, list directory content, and copy the file, copy files, moving or renaming the files, changing the directory of files, and printing working directories, as well as creating different directories. After that, we have some advanced command lines, advanced file system operations, like view the content, how to view content, how to find any file, search within the files, and then file permissions. We have different file permissions, and after that, we have some processes and system management commands, like for process control, we have how to list process, how to kill a process, how to monitor any process, how to check memory usage, directories space usage, as well as disk space usage. For These are the commands definitely on the right side for system monitoring. And after that, we have super user and important directories, where you can switch to the super user. These are some of the important directories in Linux, like / etc. Is for system configuration files like password, networks, and services. We have var directory, var variable, stand for variable, which contain log files, database records related with database, web files. Then we have a root directory, which is definitely a home directory for a root, and a temp directory, which contains temporary files, which will be cleaned automatically after boot up. After that, we have some networking commands, like network configuration. We have for network configuration, how to check network interfaces. You can type if config on Linux, and if config on Windows. The modern alternative is sorry modern alternative is, you can just type IP AWDR. Now if I open the terminal and show you some of them. Okay, so first let's switch to user, and let's type IPAWDR. As you can see, it is a modern alternative command. You can use it instead of if configure. So yeah, it will show you some of the details, as well as you will be able to see all the details here, as I'm right now connected with the Ethernet. And then we have a ping command. Similarly, if you want to remotely connect with any server or any other machine, then you can use SSH for secure shell. SSH name of the machine, for example root, or any other user at the rate, then simple the IP address of that machine. Okay, you can use keys, all those things, and then you have secure copy if you want to securely copy your files to the remote machine, and vice versa. And then we have some networking monitoring commands, like how to monitor network. You can use netstat, as well as we have modern socket statistics that you can use this command for that thing. Then we have some advanced command line for command line techniques. For example, how to install any Debian based package. With this command, you can install Debian based package, for example sudo dpkg space hyphen I, and the location of Debian package that you have downloaded from the internet. How to update the system, you can simply type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. And after that, you can similarly check how to remove the packages. You can remove packages by typing apt remove name of the package. Okay, then you can check out the environment variable, and you can use wildcard parameter matching for file operations. These are the common parameters that you can use for professional visit MasaudSec. And we have command chaining. You can use multiple commands like apt update and apt upgrade. In this way it will work. You can use execute multiple commands. Okay, then we have some more advanced commands like a file compression. If you want to compress any file, create compressed archive files, you can use star. And yeah, this is how it works. So you can extract it with this command. Then simply, if you are trying to monitor the logs, watch log files in real life, then real time, so you can use this command. And then we have a file editing. You can edit any file using nanovim, leafpad, and others. Yeah, I think this is enough. I didn't edit more commands because it will be difficult for you to memorize things, but this is, to be honest, more than enough for a beginner who is trying to master his Linux skills. Moreover, guys, here I have some social media icons. You can contact with me, and if you are interested to learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing, you can simply visit my website MasaudSec.com, where you will be able to find explore all the courses we have free as well as a paid. And moreover, you will be able to get the courses if you, and also if you are trying, um, if you want any professional service like for penetration testing, web penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, we are here. And we have some advanced training programs that we offer. Definitely it is a kind of mentorship where you will be getting live classes each week. It will be an individual mentorship. You will get recorded session study material. You will be prepared for different exams. So it's totally up to you. Either you want to go with live classes, or you want to go with recorded sessions. As well as you guys have my YouTube channel, which is MasaudSec. You can simply visit it for the content. You can just access the playlist, as well as I'm constantly uploading the videos, so you will be able to find more details. And yeah, but scroll down a bit, MasaudSec.com. If you want to explore all the modules, you can simply click here. It will show you all the modules of our mentorship program. There are more than 28 to 30 modules. I'm constantly adding more modules, so yeah, there will be so much fun. uh, yeah, I think it's enough for today. Take care, have a good day. If you have any question, make sure to